Okay, before I start, I make sure I have my PPE on, I've got my apron on, obviously I've got my gloves on. I've just mixed the ratio, and to me that's pretty thick for my liking, so I'm just going to add a little bit more of the developer. As it's got short hair, the block, I've sectioned it just in half, okay. Normally in a salon, if it's short hair, you wouldn't normally section it, because once you start putting the colour on, it will separate it naturally, but obviously we're still training, so I'm going to section it off for you. Again, just needs a little bit more in there. And you'll realise that when you start using bleach, it tends to thicken up itself as you go through, and sometimes you have to add during the process. Okay, so we're going to go ahead with that for now. Just going to find my comb. Okay. Alright. So we're just going to straight down the middle. And trust me to get one of the stands that moves around. Okay, so I shall do my very best. Okay, so I'm going to do a full application, roots, just a section off, and then straight through to the mid-lengths and ends, because the colour is the same all the way through. There aren't any natural roots, so they're not going to go lighter first. And also, just remind you on the bleach, it also says between use 3, 6 or 9 developer. No 12 at all, okay? And like I say, for level 2, you only ever need to use up to 6% when it's a full head scalp. Well, I also have a cream bleach, which contains ingredients which is more soothing on the scalp. So if we were to do this in the salon, we more than likely would use the cream bleach if it was a real client. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do the application, then I'll come back to you and show you the completed look. Okay, thanks.